preserving equal access to justice, protecting the most vulnerable among us. Pro bono service changes lives, creating a community where equal access to justice is an obtainable goal.
The 4 attorneys nominated for Pro Bono Service Awards this year exemplify our local bar's passion and commitment to ensuring that all members in our community have access to justice. Our nominees show up enthusiastic and willing month after month and year after year with one goal in mind for their pro bono service: to make sure that all members of our community and those who are most in need and most vulnerable have equal access to justice.
John Knorr, nominated for the Young Lawyer Pro Bono Award. John began volunteering with Pisgah Legal Services in 2013. Since then, he has closed 36 cases, advised numerous clients through the Pisgah Legal Services Hotline Consultation Program, and donated over 131 pro bono hours. John practices law with Roberts & Stevens, where his practice focuses on business and environmental law, land use and conservation, as well as government, policy, and litigation. Knorr is on the Pisgah Legal Services Young Professionals Board and is highly involved in public policy and advocacy at the state and local level.
One of the reasons I do pro bono work is because I want to help people. And for me, that comes in the form of domestic violence work. For such a small amount of time on our part, we can help victims feel empowered to break free from their abusers and end the cycle of violence that has trapped them for so long. Doing pro bono work is so important because it ensures that everyone in our community has equal access to justice. If the poorest among us can't get to the courthouse and get a fair shake, then it doesn't matter that our paying clients can.
Kevin Rady, nominated for the William L. Thorpe Pro Bono Award. Kevin joined the Mountain Area Volunteer Lawyer Program in 2010. In that time, Kevin has represented 62 individual clients and has helped countless others through the Pisgah Legal Services Monthly Debt 101 Clinic, donating over 50 pro bono hours in 2015 alone. He runs his own firm, the Law Offices of Kevin Rady, where his practice focuses on consumer debt and bankruptcy law. Kevin is a member of the National Association of Consumer Bankruptcy.
I do pro bono work because it really connects me with my community. I really appreciate the people that I meet through the Mabel program and appreciate the hard work that Pisgah Legal Services does for me in connecting me with the people that I feel like I can help the most. I'm a consumer bankruptcy attorney, and Pisgah Legal Services' commitment to helping those suffering from poverty really lines up well with my practice areas. I think income inequality is one of the toughest issues that we're facing as a society, and my relationships that I've developed in the Mabel program with the attorney and the staff at Pisgah has ended up delivering the exact type of clients that I can help the most and who need the help the most. So I'm very, very grateful for not only the program's existence, but the people involved in the program and how caring they are in delivering those clients to me.
Anna Prendergast, nominated for the William L. Thorpe Pro Bono Award. Anna became a Mountain Area Volunteer Attorney in 2013. Since then, she has closed more than 11 cases and donated over 45 pro bono hours, primarily ensuring victims of domestic violence are safe from their abusers. Anna practices law with the Siemens Family Law Group, where she focuses on a variety of areas including estate planning, elder law, divorce, child custody, VA, and federal benefits. Anna is the Vice President of the WNC chapter of the North Carolina Association of Women Attorneys, a board member of the Black Mountain Center for the Arts, a member of the National Academy of Elder Law Attorneys, and the Land of Sky Estate Planning Council.
I do pro bono work because I think when I went to law school, I went with this idealistic notion that when I got out, everything I did was going to be to help people. And then you get out of law school and you realize that that's not always the case. So doing pro bono work is a way for me to kind of maintain that part of myself where I feel like I'm helping people who really need it and who really benefit from it. The people that come to me through the Mabel program are people that are almost always dealing with horrible circumstances. And if I can help them, I feel like I'm doing what I set out to do. Some of the work I do for Pisgah involves representing people that are seeking restraining orders because they've been in situations where they've been domestically abused or in domestic violence relationships. I also take estate planning work for people that are close to passing away and want to do estate work. I think both of those practice areas are really important, particularly in the domestic violence cases. I feel really called to do that type of work. I think when you're a woman who is living a life where you are being abused and you have no resources and frequently no support system, you need somebody who is willing to stand up and speak for you. And for those people, I think our representation is sometimes everything, and sometimes very literally the difference between them staying alive and not staying alive.
Evan DeWandler, nominated for the William L. Thorpe Pro Bono Award. Evan joined the Mountain Area Volunteer Lawyer Program in 2014. He has donated over 40 pro bono hours and represented 34 clients. He has assisted countless others through our hotline consultation program. Evan is a solo practitioner focusing his practice across a variety of areas, ranging from landlord-tenant to family law. Through the Mabel program, Evan has helped clients obtain and preserve stable housing, navigate complicated consumer rights issues, and protect themselves from domestic violence and abuse.
Why do I do pro bono work? I do pro bono work for several reasons. First and foremost is the reward and satisfaction you get from helping people. I love being able to use my training, expertise, and knowledge to do some good. Secondly, by serving the community, we are able to create a place that's better to live for everybody. Pro bono work places you into contact with people in the community in a way that empowers them and gives them hope. And lastly, it's an opportunity to build skills that you might not have a chance to do otherwise. And that's why I do pro bono work. When I started with Pisgah, I started working with the domestic violence team. I enjoyed that work because you were helping a lot of people that have fear and anxiety, not only about facing their abuser, but the court process as a whole. And as you explain to them, what to expect, and you walk them through the process, you can see their whole demeanor change. They realize that they're not alone in this, and that makes a huge difference. And the majority of the time, they're walking out with a level of protection that they might not have without our help. And they are extremely grateful, and that makes all the difference. It really reaffirms why I do the work I do.
Thank you to our nominees and to all of our Mountain Area volunteer lawyers. Without your dedication and unwavering commitment to pro bono service, many families and individuals across Western North Carolina would not have access to an attorney to help them meet their most basic needs through civil legal advocacy. Your dedication helps families escape domestic violence, secure affordable, safe housing, and access other needed benefits. Your dedication also helps to ensure that everyone has access to justice and makes our community a better place for everyone. Thank you.
Attorneys fighting to preserve equal access to justice. Attorneys who change lives.